आप लोगों ने नोटिस किया होगा, कुछ लोग रूम में एंटर करते ही दे गेट अटेंशन ऑफ मेनी पीपल, they get noticed even though they are not the handsome in the room, they are not the most handsome, they are not the most richest, but still what they carry, what aura they carry, what energy they carry. So let's discuss about things attract to people don't do. They don't beg for attention. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, हैंडसम से हैंडसम बंदा डोंट गेट गर्ल्स बिकॉज ही क्रेव्स अटेंशन, वो अटेंशन की भीख मांगता है. और needy people are not attractive. Neediness kills attractiveness यार. अगर तुम किसी के आगे जाओगे and you will show off, attractiveness is something people get attracted to. तुम्हें किसी के पास जाके अप्रोच करके नहीं, ये this is needy energy. कुछ लोग होते हैं वो फोर्सफुली फनी बनते हैं, खुद का ही मजाक उड़ाते हैं. लाइक वो पता चलता है सामने वालों को कि he is trying to wanna be the attractive guy, but he is not. Maybe he has the face card, but he is not attractive. ऐसा भी होता है. वो लोग हर किसी को impress करने में लगते हैं, people pleaser होते हैं, so called people pleaser. They are not fucking attractive. They look like a clown. Second thing is they don't over explain. Over explain करना मतलब there is something insecure within you. If you're over explaining something, it is like you look like a fraud. कि मैं लेट क्यों हुआ, क्योंकि मेरी बस पंचर हुई, मैं रिक्शा करके आया पर सिग्नल लगा, रिक्शा के आगे कुत्ता. You look like a fraud अगर तुम सब चीज़ें एक्सप्लेन करते रहोगे. Don't do that. Why the fuck you are granting permission to live for your existence? Just live ना. कोई तुम्हारे पैसे थोड़ी भर रहा है, कोई तुम्हें खाना थोड़ी खिला रहा है जो तुम सब चीज़ें उन्हें एक्सप्लेन करते रहो. घर वालों को करो एक्सप्लेन, बट घर वालों को भी इतना मत करो कि घर वाले तुम्हें कंट्रोल करें. सो डोंट ओवर एक्सप्लेन टू एनीबडी अनलेस इट्स वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी क्रूशियल, नेसेसरी. अट्रैक्टिव पीपल आर लाइक उन्हें जो बोलना है वो बोल देते हैं. दे डोंट केयर सामने वाला क्या सोचेगा, बिकॉज उन्हें पता है वो कौन है. अट्रैक्टिव पीपल आर अवेयर ऑफ देमसेल्फ. उन्हें पता है उन्हें क्या नहीं आता, उन्हें पता है उन्हें क्या आता है, वो कैसे दिखते हैं. दे डोंट नीड वैलिडेशन. अगर कोई उन्हें बोले यू डोंट लुक गुड यार, ये तेरी दाढ़ी तो कटवा ले, अच्छा दिखेगा, थैंक्स यार, थैंक यू फॉर द एडवाइस, बट आई नो हाउ आई लुक विदाउट बियर्ड. बिकॉज मैंने बहुत सारे एक्सपीरियंस करके रखे हैं. मैंने मेरी फुल शेव की थी, एकदम बच्चा सा लग रहा था, बट बियर्ड लुक्स गुड ऑन मी. लाइक इतनी भी अच्छी नहीं, बट स्टिल लुक्स गुड ऑन मी. सो व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग इज डोंट ओवर एक्सप्लेन. इफ माय रिलेटिव्स आस्क इतने बाल क्यों बढ़ा रखे हैं, आई विल बी लाइक अच्छे लगते हैं. That's it. Next is attractive people don't chase the people who don't care about them. अगर कोई तुम्हारे बारे में कोई परवाह नहीं करता, they are like I don't give a fuck about you. Why should you give a fuck about them? Let them go. Chase मत करो. Chase करने से कभी कुछ नहीं मिलता. Even if you chase love, it won't fucking come to you. It can't. Needy energy है ना, can't attract anything. So don't be needy, don't be a chaser. Attract that girl. Be that valuable man. Chase करने से कुछ नहीं होगा. He will treat you like a dog if you chase her, and even if you get her. Attract her. जहाँ तुम्हारी वैल्यू नहीं होती वहाँ रुकना is equal to disrespect to yourself. Be the one to move first. Be the one to exit first. Okay? That is what attractive people do. सबसे पहली बात तो ऐसे लोगों के पास ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं होता to stay on a place where they are not valued. They just fucking leave. That's why they are so valuable and attractive. Attractive people don't insult their self to make other people laugh. कुछ बंदे ऐसे होते हैं they literally make fun of their self, their own personality to make the girl laugh. What do you think? Is it attractive? No way. No way. Nahi bhai. If you do that, you're a nerdy shit. You don't have your personality. You can't make other people laugh without cracking jokes on yourself. Don't do that. You look nerdy. हर attractive people की insecurity होती है, but they don't embrace that insecurity. They don't tell that हाँ ना ऐसा है इसलिए मैं नहीं कर पा रहा. They just show they are not insecure. Because if you show that you are insecure about your height, then people will judge you on your height. People will be like अरे तू तो बौना है, तू तो बौना है. अच्छा, अगर तुम ये बताओगे, इसका मजाक उड़ाओगे खुद के बारे में, तो लोग भी उड़ाएंगे ना. ऑफ कोर्स, इफ यू रिस्पेक्ट योरसेल्फ, पीपल विल रिस्पेक्ट यू. इफ यू डोंट, पीपल वोंट. द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज attractive people don't try to look cool. They just don't feel the gap of, you know, कुछ अगर if my friend is calling me for hangout और उस दोस्त के बाकी दोस्त है और वो मेरा दोस्त चला गया, तो मैं लेफ्ट आउट फील करूँगा ना. तो इस लेफ्ट आउट को, इस वॉइड को भरने के लिए आई विल टॉक शिट समथिंग लाइक. The next thing is attractive people don't try to look cool because they don't care what people will think about themselves, because they know, they are fucking aware that they are attractive. They sometimes want to get validated, but they validate themselves looking in the mirror. I do the same. I don't know I'm a narcissist or what. They are honest. Even if they lie, they look honest. The last thing is they don't let rejection destroy them. Think about it, if you are in a relationship and she cheats, she chooses someone else in front of you, it is a kind of rejection, brutal rejection. It is a brutal rejection. So if you think that you are not good enough, that guy is more handsome, more valuable than you, and you destroy yourself, you're like you're drinking alcohol, you're smoking and all shit. Nah bro, that is not something attractive people do. Attractive people are like, if you're choosing him, just fucking go. They are not emotionally attached, they are not dependent on someone कि अगर कोई चला गया तो वो क्यों चला गया यार, इसके बिना तो मेरी ज़िंदगी अधूरी है. They are not like that because they are fulfilled. They are complete in themselves. Attractive बनना is not that easy guys. You have to work on yourself. Inner game में काम करो. सिर्फ बाहरी अच्छा दिखना is not enough. Work on inner game. It's as much important as your outer beauty. Even that inner game is more important than that. So if someone ignores you, it's their fault. If you are offering someone the best thing and they neglect, they reject, it's their loss. It's not your loss. Don't chase them. Don't chase people. तो लास्ट में यही है कि भाई don't look desperate, क्योंकि desperate लोग deserves nothing. They deserve literally nothing. Attractive people are like मिला तो मिला, नहीं मिला तो नहीं मिला. They are happy in their life because they know they will get what they deserve. और जो वो बने हैं, जो वो इम्प्रूव कर रहे हो खुद को, जो वो खुद पर काम कर रहे हैं, they know that they will attract some good shit and believe in themselves. They fucking believe in themselves. They are kind of narcissist. They think they are the best. And if someone rejects them, it's their fault. It's their loss. So ऐसी थोड़ी थोड़ी मेंटालिटी लाओ अपने में, नहीं तो भाई तुम चेज करोगे, पीपल चेजर बन जाओगे, पीपल प्लीजर बन जाओगे. That's so nerdy, that's so childish thing. So don't do that. Work on yourself, go to gym, and that's it guys. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, be better every day.